Hey everyone, if you want to use remove.bg for e-commerce product photos in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to create clean, professional product images that help increase sales. High-quality product images are one of the biggest factors that influence online sales. Start with a clear, well-lit product photo taken on a plain or simple background. Go to the remove.bg website using your browser. Click Upload and select your product image, or drag and drop it into the upload area. Remove.bg will automatically detect your product and remove the background within seconds. Download your image as a PNG file with a transparent background. For Amazon and Shopify, you can replace the background with white to meet platform requirements. Make sure your product image is sharp, properly centered, and high resolution. Now you can upload your edited images to Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, or your own online store. For best results, use natural lighting and shoot products on a plain background before uploading. A common mistake is using dark, blurry, or cluttered images, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to use remove.bg for e-commerce photos in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.